Hi guys, it's me, Reevesy, and where the hell is where's Mascot? He's probably whipping out somewhere. He still probably thinks that Megatron's trying to kill him. But anyway, in this video, I'll be doing my evaluations. I'm judging that on playability, articulation, and show accuracy. So, for ARC-170, I gave playability a 5 because he's mainly supposed to be in his vehicle mode, so yeah. Articulation 4. Very simple, just arms moving, nothing much. Show accuracy, well, not so much show, more film. So yeah, as it's supposed to be vehicle mode, I'm gonna give it a 5. So he scored a total of 14. Moving on. For Ratchet, I gave the playability 7 because he's awesome. Articulation 7 because he's awesome. Show accuracy, I gave him a 7 because he's awesome. So he scored a total of 21. For Megatron, I gave playability 7 because he just looks awesome as a toy alone. For articulation, I gave it a 9 because most of it moves. All of the parts move in some way. For show accuracy, I gave it an 8 because I'm not sure if there's a show or not, but he just looks awesome. I'm happy to have him. So he scored a total of 24. So yeah, definitely better than him. Only by 3 points. Much better than him by 10 points. So yeah, the Megatron is the most recommended one of these lots. But as usual, I recommend him, him, and him. Because if you like Star Wars and Transformers, you should definitely get him. He's awesome. Don't know why I hit him off the tail. I don't know why I knocked him over. He is just awesome. Great addition to your collection. Speaking of awesome, he is awesome. And don't think mascots think so. So this is Reevesy. Leave some comments in the comment section below. And hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going now. Goodbye. He's still trying to kill me. Yay!